All right, recording has already started. So, hello and welcome everyone, no, to our um session for today. Okay, about um AI 101L. So for today, no, we're going to skip ulit yung ating lesson number 2, no, because we would like to introduce you to the newly created platform or newly sent platform to us by the ASEAN Foundation. Okay? So basically, this is another platform for us, to study yung AI fundamentals. Basically, nandito lahat ng mga inaral natin. So nung week 1, okay, if you would remember, it's all about AI fundamentals. So it's nakalagay dito yung introduction, yung variety of AI for everyday life, and then yung fundamentals of generative AI. So ito yung pinakaunang week natin na pinag-aaralan. Tama? So basically dito natin kinukuha yung sources ng mga tinuturo natin. Okay? So in the succeeding days, all right? We're going to talk about these topics, no? But for now, what we needed to do as someone na yun nga, would undergo the same program with yours truly as the master trainer, what would you need to do is to create an account for this platform. Okay? Wait lang ah. Let me unshare my screen muna, no? Let me enter my password. Okay, we're back, no? So, what we needed you to do, no, is to create an account in this particular page and then click register. So step 1 being go to the website aiclassasian.org/courses. So let me paste the link to you on this particular chat. And then next would be to enter enter your details on the register tab. All right? And then obviously um employment status, you will be students, nationality obviously or also Filipinos. And then sa beneficiaries, no. So dito kasi papasok yung yung track na pag-aaralan, sorry, pag-aaralan natin which is youth tayo ngayon. Okay? So youth yung natin, yung ating uh, category. And then you will be given a referral code. Okay? So please remember this referral code because kung wala itong referral code na to, your certificate will not be voided or will not be authorized. Okay? So I am posting sa MS Teams yung referral code. Okay? I just posted it right now and you're seeing it on your screen as well. So the referral code is OXIM6. So without that, you're not going to be able to complete the AI Ready ASEAN course. And then after that, no, you're going to create your password and you're going to confirm your password. All right? So, anong email po ang gagamitin dito, no? So, I would recommend please use your Mapua MCL email on this one. Okay? Please use Mapua MCL email para madali tayo makapag-track. All right? So, um, for those that are here live and online, can you virtually raise your hand if nakagawa na tayo ng account? So it shouldn't take a minute or two. Okay, very good, Mr. Farao. Miss Faraon. Sige, keep your hands raised para makita lang natin kung ilan yung mga tapos na. Okay? So we have 20 people or 19 people in the house. So tatlo na ang tapos. Thank you. Good job. Keep your hands raised lang para makita natin yung numbers. All right, 5 na ang nakatapos. Sige, number 6. 6 na. Sige lang. Keep them coming. Oo, no. Ang importante kasi, no, before Wednesday sana kompleto na tayo, no. Lahat tayo meron ng AI Ready ASEAN account. So again, this is free. You don't need to pay for this, no. So you just need to create an account and then enter the referral code. So that referral code would be coming from me. Okay? Okay, 9 na ang nakakatapos. 10. Very good. Keep them coming. So kung ikaw naman ay nag-a-access or gumagawa ng account using your mobile phone kasi naka-phone ka din ngayon sa pag-take ng meeting na to, okay lang kung hindi mo magawa ngayon, no? Importante basta sa Wednesday or basta sa Wednesday sa next meeting natin, tapos na 'yan, nagawa na natin, okay? And may ipapagawa pa kasi ako. So, mas okay kung gawin niyo na siya ngayon para hindi na kayo ma-hassle next time. All right? So, okay. So, assuming no na nakagawa na kayo ng accounts, so you're going to see something like this. No, you're going to see something like this. No, not that. Okay? You're going to see something like this. No? Automatic you will be sent doon sa profile page. And lalabas doon, no, you have your name here and then you have a master trainer here, which is me. Okay? So on this side sa ilalim siguro ng badges, no, you would see I would be your master trainer. Okay? So sa akin kasi, no, I am required to take 25 modules, but kayo guys as the students, you're only required to take 15 modules. Okay? So you have 15 modules doon sa youth track natin. So just to show you, you just click this Our Courses button sa taas. Okay? So this is the Master Trainer courses, but for you, no, sa mga youth lang, no, sa mga youth, you are going to take only 15 courses, which is fit na fit doon sa ano natin. Tailored fit doon sa ating uh, course syllabus. Okay? So if you would notice again, no, banggitin ko lang ulit, yung lesson 1 natin, yung week 1 lesson natin, hindi ba ito yung 4 na yon? So ito yon, no? So yung coverage natin ay nandito. Okay? So generally, what you're going to do on this one is you're going to take everything. You're going to take everything by answering pre-tests and post-tests for every lesson. Okay? For every lesson, meron tayong pre-tests and post-tests. So, once you've clicked, so I would be assuming, no, you're already clicking yung introduction to AI. Okay? So, once you've clicked the introduction to AI, sa ibaba ng learning objectives, meron dyan red button that would say start pretest. Okay? So, you need to answer that. Tapos may mga konting survey lang din yan. So, answer them truthfully. You don't need to cheat on this one. So, once na nasagot nyo na yung survey tsaka yung mga pre-tests, you will proceed na doon sa ating mga course modules. So, ito yan, tatlong yan. Alright? Itong tatlo yan. So, that's for introduction to AI. Provided na na-take na natin kasi to, na-lecture na natin to, na-discuss na natin to before, what you need to do right now is, ang gagawin na lang natin, i-open na lang natin yung learning materials and then, we can simply skip everything. Okay? We can just simply skip all, we can skip all of this, no? We can skip everything and then proceed na tayo doon sa post-test. Magkakaroon ng link dyan sa ilalim, post-test, no? Once na makumpleto or ma-browse mo na lahat ng 9 slides, okay? Once na ma-browse mo na lahat, mag-o-open na yung post-test. Okay? Para doon sa mga students na binuksan kaagad yung post-test, magkakaroon ng error. It would say na dapat mabuksan mo muna or ma-cover or ma-view mo muna lahat ng learning materials. Okay? So, yun yung kailangan nyong gawin. No? So, buksan nyo muna lahat ng learning materials. Okay? So, once na mabuksan na yung learning materials, then that would be the time to open the post-test and answer them. Okay? So, kailangan masagutan lahat ng tama yung post-test before you can proceed doon sa susunod na section. Okay? So, yun yung sinasabi natin dito, okay? So, you will do this over and over again until such time na matapos na lahat ng mga sections and masagutan na lahat ng mga post-tests doon sa lesson na yon. Okay? That is for introduction to AI only. Pero, yun nga, like I said earlier as well, you have multiple resources here. So, your task for today, once you have completed the account, or once you have created the account, your task for today asynchronously is to take everything na nakikita nyo right now. Okay, itong apat na to. Alright? Yung introduction to AI, variety of AI, AI for everyday life, and fundamentals of generative AI. So let me paste lang yan dito. No? Question ni Miss Faraon, are we still going to do Coursera? Yes po, no? It is recommended, or yeah, you're still required pa rin talaga, no, to do the Coursera because it's part of the course syllabus. Okay? So ang mangyayari on our end, no, ang nangyari kasi, no, nauna tayo mag-discuss kaysa sa pag-launch ng AI Ready ASEAN. Okay? Kasi nauna yung pag-start ng term natin kaysa dun sa sa pag-launch ng website na to. Okay? So kaya nagkaroon lang ng konting hiccup. So nagkaroon lang ng adjustment ng konti. So ito yung adjustment na sinasabi natin, no? So para mag-adjust lang tayo para maka-move on tayo dun sa susunod na series of lessons. All right? Okay? So para makasunod tayo dun sa daloy ng lessons natin, we are going to answer these four first. No? So kasi ito yung week 1 natin, tama? So para sa susunod nating lesson, ang lesson natin ay about AI ethics, tama? So ito yung mga yon, no? So ito yung mga yon. So ito yung apat na yon. All right? So ito yung next batch na sasagutan natin sa susunod na lesson natin, yung lesson number 3 natin after we have completed lesson number 2. Okay? Clear ba yan, everyone? Sige, you may lower your hands na. So, thank you very much. Okay? Salamat. So, thumbs up naman kung naiintindihan yung instruction natin kanina. Thumbs up naman. Okay, very good. So, again, no, just to repeat, no, one last time. Your task, once you have created your account in the AI class ASEAN, is to create or take all of these four courses: Introduction to AI, Variety of AI, AI for everybody life, or for everyday life, sorry, and Fundamentals of Generative AI. Once you have taken these, paano mo malalaman na na-take mo na lahat? Okay? para malaman mo na na-take mo na lahat, you're going to have badges over here. Okay? So, as you can see right now, 4 yung badge na meron ako. Alright? So, 4 yung badge na meron ako, meaning, ito yung mga na-complete ko na. Or, ito yung mga nasagutan ko na yung mga post-tests. Okay? So, your ultimate goal for this one is to complete all the 15 badges. Alright? Complete all of the 15 badges so that you're gonna be able to unlock yung certificate ninyo. No? So, pag tinry nyo i-click yung your certificate, magkakaroon ng error. Please complete all module first to download the certificate. Alright? So, once na makumpleto nyo lahat ng required modules for you guys, mag-unlock tong certificate na to automatically. The certificate will be yours. Alright? Here? So may mga question ngayon sa inyo. Sir, pwede po bang mag-advance? Pwede ba naming i-advance tong mga to, no? So honestly, wala namang pipigil sa inyo, no? So it's okay if you study and answer the questions in advance. Yun nga lang, hindi na siya fun for you, no? Kasi hindi tayo sabay-sabay matatapos. Okay? So, deadline for completion ito, again, ang deadline for completion nung hanggang 4, no, is by Wednesday. Okay? So, sasagutan nyo lang yan. So, it's not going to take you more than 20 to 30 minutes. So, what you need to do is to skip all the slides na kasi na-discuss na natin yung 4 na yan. Okay? So, what you need to do is skip all of them. I-browse nyo lang yung mga slides and then proceed na kayo sa post-test. Alright? So, yun yung kailangan yung gawin for this one. So, by Wednesday, dapat unlock na lahat yung 4 na badges. 4 lang yung kailangan natin, okay? So, mamamonitor ko yan dito sa baba. So, as you can see, no? Ito nga, may nakakompleto na nga, may naka-perfect na, may naka-complete na. So, nakuha na nila yung certificate nila. So, that's just what it means. Okay? So, meron dito, parents yung ginawa niyang area, no? Alright. So, basically na yun lang yung natin dito. Yun lang yung that's the entire idea of this entire program. Okay? Clear ba tayo, guys? Basta by Wednesday, kompleto na yung 4. Clear? Thumbs up naman kung clear. Okay, very good, no? As per our lesson number 2, I will be posting within the week yung ating recorded lesson na lang instead, no? Instead of a lecture, I will be sending a recorded lesson instead, no? Kasi mabilis lang naman yon. So, that's what we need. All right, no? So, panoorin lang natin yon and then we're going to have our quiz probably siguro next week na. Iipod na ulit natin next week, no? Sa dami ng kailangan natin gawin. All right? Okay ba 'yon, guys? Thumbs up again. Sir, do we need to complete the module of Google AI Essentials course? Yes, as well, no? Yun din, kailangan din natin 'yon. It's part of our course syllabus. Okay? So here's what's going to happen, okay? From this point forward, after lesson number 2, makinig, okay? After lesson number 2, here's what's going to happen. Our lectures will center towards the contents of AI Ready ASEAN program. Okay? Lahat ng lectures natin ay manggagaling dito. Alright? So lahat yan manggagaling dito and then same thing with the Coursera, supplemental supplemental content, which is something that you're going to answer. And again, I don't think this is going to be a very, very hard task for you, especially someone can just finish it in 20 or less minutes. Okay? So, kayang-kaya nyo siyang tapusin ng isang buong gabi. Okay? So, yun ay kung talagang we put our minds into it. Okay? So, how should I know? Na-take ko na siya. Okay? So, ganun siya kadali. Okay? Kahit kahit high school kayang tapusin siya ng isang buong gabi kung gusto talagang tapusin. Okay? So, yun lang naman, no? Um, Naintindihan ba kung ano yung magiging course of action natin ngayon? So, moving forward, ang lessons natin ay manggagaling sa ASEAN Foundation. So, you can take them in advance and get the badges in advance. I don't have any problems with that. Okay? Sir, ang quiz po ba ay through online or face-to-face? Good question. So, ang ating mga quiz supposedly ay face-to-face. Pero since wala tayong physical room so far, kung abutan man tayo ng quiz virtually, so I will be providing the quiz virtually. Okay? Clear? Thumbs up if clear. Kung dumating man yung time na magko-quiz na tayo at virtual pa rin ang rooms natin, uh, virtual yung ano natin, virtual yung quiz natin. Online ang quiz. Alright? Anything else? Sige lang, ilabas nyo na lahat ng questions ninyo. Okay, so I'll take that as wala na. So kung wala, sir, could you give all the details of the quiz again? So basically, ang details ng quiz ay manggagaling doon sa slides na binigay natin. So yung slides ng week 1 and then yung slides ng week 2. So na-upload ko na yata yung yung week 2 slides. Okay? So let me know kung hindi pa na-upload. Pero yun yung coverage natin. Okay? Both of those. So 20 items yon, tig 10 items per lesson. Okay. Yung on Wednesday po ba ang quiz? Hindi na po, no? I-move ulit natin next week yung quiz. Okay? So marami kasi tayong kailangan i-cover. Alright? Okay, okay. Sige. So anything else? Wala na, no? So kung wala na, no, I will leave you with the rest of the time to complete yung sinasabi ko, yung pinapagawa ko sa inyo doon sa AI Ready ASEAN, which is to complete all of the sections for each courses or for each lessons here. Okay? So, yun lang naman. I'll leave this to you and I'll leave the rest of the time to you to finish all of them. So, kayang-kaya nyo yan. Pwede nyo i-advance. Walang problema. Basta ang meron tayo ngayon na kailangan natin gawin is um, to finish this first 4. Okay? Basta ito yung kailangan natin. Wala tayong problema kung iba yung ano natin or kung mag-advance tayo. Okay? So kung wala nang questions, I'll leave the rest of the time to you. Have a safe week, especially no kung umuulan. I doubt no umuulan sa inyo kasi dito sa area namin hindi na umuulan. So baha siguro no. So kung bumabaha no as much as possible stay away sa mga baha para hindi tayo ma-leptospirosis or kung ano pang sakit nung meron diyan, no? So ingat tayo, doble ingat, triple ingat. So I really hope no I could see you in person. Okay? So goodbye everyone and I'll see you on kung kailan man yung kung kailan tayo mabigyan ng room. Okay? Sige. Thank you so much and have a great week ahead.